Welcome to the latest edition of AI in Healthcare and Digital Health Updates, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks. Brought to you by Lucid Quest. Microsoft researchers warn that generative AI can help rewrite harmful sequences to evade current DNA order screening, highlighting zero-day style risks and calling for defense in depth. NICE expands health tech evaluations to put devices, diagnostics, and digital on par with medicines. Consultation open until 22nd October 2025, aiming for NHS-wide uptake and medicine-grade standards. SenseTime and IHH Healthcare deploys SenseCare across Parkway Radiology in Singapore for AI lung cancer screening, described as the first core diagnostic integration of China-built medical AI abroad. Alphabet signals intent to spin off Verily, per executive testimony, following a 2024 technical separation within Alphabet and migration to Google Cloud. QuantHealth secures strategic investment from Sanofi Ventures, adds a board observer, bringing total raise to $30 million to scale patient-level trial simulations, protocol testing, and digital twins. Periodic Labs raises a $300 million seed to build AI scientists and autonomous labs, starting with superconductors and materials discovery. A Levity survey of 900 users and 100 trainers reports links between AI fitness apps and anxiety, overtraining, and meal skipping, while some users note motivation benefits. A Stanford and Arc Institute preprint shows 16 of 302 AI-generated bacteriophage genomes were viable in lab tests, with some outcompeting wild type. Cortical Labs will demo the CL1 neuron-based biocomputer in Germany, about 800,000 human neurons interfaced with silicon for real-time tasks and research. A New England Journal of Medicine AI perspective reviews U.S. federal AI actions from 23 July 2025, noting a pro-innovation tilt that could benefit health AI while raising equity, safety, and evidence concerns. Neuralink plans a USF DAIDE trial to translate thoughts into text by decoding speech directly from brain signals, targeting communication at or faster than speech, with longer-term consumer aims. Stay ahead in AI in healthcare and digital health. Like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting. See you next time.